Hi everyone, welcome back to KTRC Corporate Training. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. In today's video, we are going to talk about a crucial skill for anyone learning English, thinking in English. Whether you are preparing for exams, interviews, or just want to improve your everyday communication, thinking in English can make a huge difference in your fluency and confidence. So, why is it important to think in English? Well, translating from your native language to English can slow you down and make you feel less confident. Thinking directly in English helps you process information faster and respond more naturally in conversations. Plus, it's a great way to immerse yourself in the language even when you are not actively studying. Let's dive into some practical tips to help you start thinking in English. The more you immerse yourself in the language, the easier it becomes to think in English. Watch movies, listen to English songs, and read books. The key is to make English a part of your daily life. Set aside a few minutes each day to practice thinking in English. Start with simple things like shopping list or daily plans and gradually move on to more complex topics. Label items in your home with their English names and try to use English when thinking about these objects. For example, when you see a chair, think chair instead of your native language word kursi. Try not to translate from your native language. Instead, focus on thinking in English. It might be challenging at first, but this will help you become more fluent and natural in your speech. It's normal to face some challenges when you start thinking in English. You might struggle with vocabulary or grammar, but don't worry, practice makes perfect. One great way to overcome these challenges is to learn new words and phrases regularly. Keep a journal or use language apps to track your progress. Hey dear friends, thinking in English is a powerful tool for fluent communication. Remember, it's all about practice and persistence. So start incorporating these tips into your daily routine and you'll see improvement in no time. Hey friends, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and let us know in the comments how you practice thinking in English. Don't forget to subscribe for more language learning tips.